Hey everybody, doing a wind test of my clam. No, just kidding. We're gonna do an unboxing of a new drone today. I had some problems with my DJI drones, software issues, and some things to do with politics and everything where the company got blacklisted and stuff. So I'm trying to give myself other options, kind of a fail-safe. So I found this drone from an American company, and I'm going to unbox it and show you what I think initially. All right, let's look at it. Okay, first of all, boxed very well. Quick shipping. I ordered it during the height of the Christmas buying, cyber buying, and it came in on the 27th, and I think I ordered it, I believe it was the 22nd, so the weekend in there. So, all right, packaged very well. Let's see what we have here. And the name of the company is EXO. All right. A box in a box. All right. Get that out of our way. Of course, some internal wrapping too here. I did get the one with an extra battery. It comes with one battery standard. So let's open the next box. There you go. I'll give you an idea. The Cinemaster 2. It's made in Utah. Or the company's based out of Utah at least. All right, and yet another box. Now this is the case for it, which I'm going to put this down. I'll set it out right over here. How's that sound? There we go. And more packing material. Now let's get this out of our way. Nice case. Should work good at protecting. Seems to be good quality. Some type of vinyl. All right. Let's see what we look like here. All right. Packing material to keep it from moving around. There's, I believe, the extra battery. Let's see what it looks like here. Battery seems to be 3/4 full. And here's the controller. Antennas. Let's see if they do. Doesn't look like they have. Oh yeah, they do have a wire, and the one has a wire in it right there. So the antennas are functional. Here's some handles down at the bottom for holding it. And right here is where your phone goes. Right in there. Now this is not rechargeable. It does take AA batteries. I did order some AA batteries from Amazon for this because I want to be able to recharge them. I don't want to have to be buying batteries and contributing to the waste in the landfills. The controls feel cheaper. But not too bad. Not too bad for the price. All right, and we have one battery already in this, I believe. Yeah, there it is right there. It'll fall out when it's not locked in. So that's the second battery. And it seems to lock down pretty nice. Take the foamy off this. The weight seems good. It's got a light on the bottom right here to light up where you're landing, or a subject that you want to take a picture of. It does have the gimbal protector here. This is a 3-axis camera, as you can see. So it is 4K. So we'll put this right here. See what other goodies we've got in the little pouch up here. Looks like a screwdriver and a transfer or charging cable, probably a charging cable, and some extra rotor blades. Set of instructions. Set this right here for right now. Just to look at this again, it feels well made. I mean, positive locking like that. And there's where you charge your battery. I guess that is a charging cable, USB rechargeable. It's supposed to be able to fly into anywhere from 19 to 25 mile an hour winds. We'll find out. The flight time's supposed to be 28 minutes. We'll also check that. I guess it's got legs here. Protect your camera. Overall, what I paid for it, they had a special for $359. I got a second battery, and my total was $409, I believe, was the total on it. So that's the unboxing of the EXO Cinemaster 2. And today would probably be a good day to check out the how it flies in the wind. So be sure to look for the next video, and we'll do a flight with it, see what it does. Take a look around Quartzsite, Arizona. All right, if you have any questions about this, please leave them in the comments. I'll try to answer as many as I can. Otherwise, you can wait for the next video when I do the flight test and tell you how much, tell if I like it or how it compares to the DJI. And we'll go from there. All right, remember to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll bring you some other product reviews in the future here. Have a great day. Thank you.